Hello there. It is quite an interesting time to be in crypto right now because of so many things are going on. And of course, we're ready. The market is ready for the next catalyst to kick up once again the bull run and take everything to the upside. Speaking about taking everything to the upside is what we are seeing right now regarding WikiCat. I'm here to talk about WikiCat today, and I know a lot of people expecting me to keep pumping information about Bnbtiger. But of course, we're going to talk that in some other video. Now, for those of you who are actively invested in WikiCat, I beg your pardon, it is good to understand what just happened. I mean, today, the WikiCat dev team on posted, and of course on their Twitter handle, that they are finally listed on Roku. A lot of you know what this exchange is. Now, Roku is one of the biggest exchange in Africa, covering of West Africa, Middle Africa, and of course South Africa. Okay, so it's one of the biggest exchange that is available for trading, and a lot of you know how this platform is. I mean, it's an African-owned platform. It's just like every continent is trying to raise up a big crypto decent or centralized exchange so that they could guide their own people to to channel their resources into crypto, into trading, into making profits, into the financial market. So I think this is very good for WikiCat because WikiCat is a community-owned crypto, and a lot of us that supports WikiCat we are from Africa. So, and of course, I won't say not just Africa, and of course some of our brothers here in Europe, US, and of course in the Middle East. Yes, some of us, I see someone talking about this. I was very surprised. So I'm very happy that this listing of Roku, of WikiCat on Roku actually played out. Now, what the WikiCat listing on Roku means for investors, we understand that, of course, what this could do to investors is that it increases the amount of inflows into the project, into WikiCat. And I'm very excited for that because a lot of these, like this Roku platform, covers traders in Ghana, in Kenya, in West Africa, mid Africa, and South Africa. Then of course they also have license here in Europe, so it is very good that a lot of us can easily buy and trade WikiCat, and that means, men, if we're able to to get ourselves into the European economy, into the European crypto market, that is huge for WikiCat. Of course, this might not take immediate effect. It means this can just be a kind of a factor also that will make WikiCat to roll, like to really, 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 really soar higher in this market. So what I'm saying here is that, ladies and gentlemen, this could be a huge trigger to the market. So that's why you need to be packing your bags. Any of this time that the market drops, you need to buy more WikiCat. Of course, this is not financial advice. I just want to put out there a disclaimer. Whatever you do, you are on your own. You're totally responsible for your investment. It is advisable to do, your own research, of course, and do what you can afford to, do what you can afford to lose. That's what you should invest. Having said that, for me, of course, if the market drop more, I'm going to get more WikiCat. I'm going to still be packing up my bags. It's not for you, it's for me. That's what I believe the market would turn out to be in the next couple of months. I think all this momentum will sum up together and we can see WikiCat dropping 2 to 3 zeros very, very quickly. Now, and also looking at where WikiCat sits, we have like 0.6 zeros, maybe we are just ready for that, the general market to pick momentum very quickly. Having come this far looking at this video, if you know you've not subscribed, please hit that notification bell, you know, subscribe to my channel. And just to let you know, of course, tomorrow we're having our AMA live here on YouTube. You can subscribe to get a notification. You can, follow me. And of course, when I come live, you'll be notified to join us live. The time still remain 1700 GMT Berlin time. I advise everyone to come online and let's sit together, talk together, ask simple questions, ask, not just you can bring even a sophisticated question. Let's reason together. Let's know where you are coming from and also how to support one another in crypto. Yeah, having said that, so I believe this is a very good stuff for WIKICAT alone because I see that they are trying to go through a lot of markets to cause like mass adoption in Europe, mass adoption in Africa. I think they are still going to do such things in Asia, because Asia, they are beginning to tap into crypto. A lot of the Asian markets, especially Japan, South Korea, and China. So these are the biggest markets. And of course, India. Oh my God, why would I forget about India? Now, these are the super robust, like big crypto markets in Asia. So once they can do that in Asia, then we can now say, of course, this project is ready to drop zeros. That's what I think. So I believe it's going to be very, 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 very interesting to see how this WikiCat, what we can do in the next couple of months. Of course, I believe also on the prophetic word on this crypto because I believe it's going to do extremely well. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's what I just saw those information. I want to also talk to you and let you know about that. And of course, do your own research. Let's see tomorrow what's going to happen regarding the market, the condition of the market improving. Though right now, at the point of recording, today being the 24th of September, Wednesday, I'm seeing that the market is a bit trying to get up a bit. Then we're seeing what Bitcoin and, of course, the other top 20, top 30 cryptos are doing. And for me, that is already very good for the market. Okay, Bitcoin bouncing back a bit to that 110, 111, pushing up. If Bitcoin is able to beat to already by tomorrow to get to that 115, resistant level, and it shoots up, then we can say Bitcoin can just continue leading the market into that next phase of the bull run. Okay, so while we're talking about bull runs, all of us, I mean, we understand that if Bitcoin goes bullish, the entire market goes bullish. Everything turns green. Okay, then a lot of people I can see also are afraid. Fear and greed index stays low. We've seen the market not doing very well. That means there's extreme fear in the market. People just cashing out, thinking that the market is still going to drop more. But I believe anytime the market drops, it's an opportunity for someone to pack their bags. That means to buy more. Okay, so let me know what you think about this listing for WikiCat. Like, subscribe, follow me for more. I still remain James Kenneth and talk to you soon as possible. I have any information for you. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. God bless you.